Everybody speaks English, no mistakes.
Where is the ball? It is on the table. Where is the cat? He is on the sofa. He is always on the sofa. Where is the book? It is in the bag. On the table. In the bag. Why not on the bag?
On is a surface. In is a space. The ball touches the table. The book is inside the bag.
And under?
Under is below. The ball is under the sofa.
Why is the ball always under the sofa? Rosie, that is the oldest question in this house.
In, under, behind, next to, between.
On, in, under, behind, next to, between. What is behind?
Behind is the back. The tree is behind the house.
What is between?
Between is in the middle of two things. Johnny, where is Milo?
He is on the sofa.
Where is your ball?
It is under the sofa.
Where are you?
I am next to the sofa.
And what is between you and your ball?
The sofa is between me and my ball.
And who is on the sofa?
Milo is on the sofa.
So who is between you and your ball?
Milo is between me and my ball.
I am on a sofa. The rest is geometry.
Robert. 6 prepositions and 2 object pronouns.
In one conversation about a ball.
Where is the honey? Robert.
The honey is behind the books, on the top shelf.
Why is it behind the books?
Because Johnny does not read.
Robert. This is not nice.
It is not nice and it is true and it works.
It does not work.
What?
I am not saying anything else.
Milo, where is my honey?
It is not behind the books.
Where is it?
It is under the sofa. With the ball.
Milo. Milo, no.
I keep things. It is what I do.